Here I have Samsung Galaxy M31s, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn it off by holding power key, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination power key and volume up at the same time for a few seconds. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding volume up until you enter recovery mode. And that's how you enter recovery mode. Here at the recovery mode, you can navigate through this mode using volume keys, and you can select options using power key. And here we have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, power off, and repair apps. So if you want to exit recovery mode, you can just select this option power off and turn off your device, or you can select reboot system now and it will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.